So far we've seen how to create header and paragraph elements, and these elements are extremely useful as they're likely to be some of the more popular elements that we use in our HTML. But of course, they're not the only elements that we'll be dealing with, and some elements are a little bit more compound than just single opening and closing tags. For instance, we have things like unordered list elements. An unordered list element creates a list of items, and it consists of two parts. The first part is the unordered list element itself, which is denoted by the opening and closing UL tag. Then it contains list items, which are denoted by opening and closing LI tags. And here we've simply created 4 list items that contain simple text, but we can add other things within each of these list items. For instance, we could add images, we could add links, we could add a number of things. Let's go ahead and save our HTML file and refresh it in our browser to see what an ordered list looks like in HTML. We'll see that it created 4 list items, each with a bullet point and then the text of our list item. And it's worth pointing out at this point that these can all be styled to our liking, which we'll learn how to do in the next lesson on CSS. But for now, we're just focusing on the elements themselves. And so an unordered list element contains this UL opening closing tag and then an arbitrary length list of items within it. We also have ordered list elements, and ordered list elements are very similar to unordered list elements. They have an opening and closing OL tag this time rather than UL because it stands for ordered list, but they have the same list item elements nested within that ordered list element. Let's save our index.html page and refresh our browser to see the difference between an ordered list and an unordered list. And we'll see that the difference is that while unordered list items are each denoted by a bullet point, ordered list items are denoted by a numerical ordering.